Ladies, in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve that head-turning look that exudes confidence and style. I will give you ideas on how to dress bold, how to wear prints and patterns, and do's and don'ts. So, let's dive in. So ladies, you know that feeling when you put on an outfit that makes you feel like $1,000,000? You feel confident, powerful, and ready to take on the world. We call this bold fashion. But first, before we delve into the depths of bold fashion, let's talk about the psychology behind it. Bold fashion isn't just about wearing eye-catching pieces. It's about expressing yourself, embracing uniqueness, and radiating positivity through your style choices. When you dress boldly, you're sending a powerful message to yourself and to the world that you're unapologetically confident and comfortable in your skin. Ladies, it's not just clothes, it's confidence in fabric form. But note, it's not for the faint of heart. It's not about following trends or fitting in. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of bold fashion. So first, color plays a key role in fashion, and understanding how to use different color combinations can elevate your style to the next level. Let's start with the basics. The color wheel helps us identify dominant, harmonious, and complementary colors. The dominant color is the main color of your outfit. It sets the tone and grabs attention. For a bold look, choose a dominant color like deep navy, emerald green, or rich burgundy. Next, add harmonious colors to complement the dominant shade. These are colors adjacent to the dominant color on the color wheel. Now let's talk about complementary colors. These are colors opposite each other on the color wheel and create a striking contrast. Add pops of complementary colors to make your look stand out. For instance, pair burgundy with mustard yellow or navy with burnt orange. Remember ladies, balance is key. Use dominant, harmonious, and complementary colors to create a cohesive and eye-catching outfit. So, go ahead and experiment with color. You'll be amazed at how it transforms your look. Stay classy and embrace your bold style. Choose one statement piece. When it comes to big and bold accessories, less is often more. Instead of wearing multiple bold pieces that can clash with each other, choose one statement piece to focus on. But if you prefer a more understated elegance, check out my previous video on how to infuse French style into your outfit. It's all about effortless chic and timeless sophistication. From classic stripes to tailored silhouettes and chic accessories, this video is a must-watch for those who appreciate understated yet captivating fashion. Get to know your foundation prints. Start with classic, simple prints. Stripes, polka dots, and florals. Then, layer on a bolder print. This way, the lines in both patterns will complement each other, and one will act as a neutral. The easiest way to incorporate a print into your current wardrobe is to find a print that you can put under something. For example, a printed top underneath a blazer. The jacket will cover most of the print, revealing just a hint of it. If you're feeling bold, you can remove the jacket to show off the print. Embrace the power clash. You don't always have to match patterns. Mixing bold patterns like leopard print and plaid may seem like a fashion faux pas, but there's a lot of power in selecting two prints that don't share any commonalities. Anchor the look with a neutral item. Choose patterns of different sizes. One of the simplest ways to mix patterns is to layer patterns with two different scales. Pairing a small scale print with a large scale pattern allows the smaller scale to work as a neutral. In this way, a skirt with a tiny floral print can work with a large format plaid flannel for a grunge look. When it comes to bold fashion, you need to be strategic and intentional in your choice of colors. This means that you need to decide what you would like to accentuate. So is it your eyes, skin tone, body, or hair? So let me show you how. Ladies, emphasizing your eyes is a clever way to divert attention from other parts of the body. You see, emphasizing your eyes is not just about makeup. It's a whole fashion game changer. And a simple way to achieve this is by using the basics of color theory. By adjusting the color of your clothes, accessories, and makeup to the color of your eyes. So, there are two ways to accentuate your eyes with your choice of clothes and literally create eye catchers. First is to wear clothes in your eyes complementary color, but note, this mainly works for blue, green, and brown eyes. The contrast emphasizes the color of your eyes. For example, if you have blue eyes, the complementary color of blue is orange. So to create even brighter blue poppers, think in the direction of fresh tangerine to warm rusty oranges for your clothes, accessories, and makeup. Oranges that border terracotta red also work well. These colors will make blue eyes pop. As for green eyes, you can make them pop by wearing contrasting reds, purples, or pinks. Note, ladies, the complementary color of green is red, but neighboring colors like purples and pinks are also a good match with green eyes. Experiment and discover what makes you happier. Go for eggplant to mauve colors, or maybe you'll feel more comfortable with terracotta hues to deep reds. Feeling bold? Try mixing reds and purples within one outfit for a trendy color block look. On the other hand, brown is categorized as a neutral color that can handle lots of combinations. As a complementary color, you can choose from the family of blues, but also neighboring colors like green and purple. They all beautifully enhance the brown hue of your eyes. 2. Wear clothes in the same color group as your eyes. This works for all eye colors because the tonal combination strengthens the color of your eyes. For example, you can go for a tonal approach to magnify the blue hue of your eyes with a matching blue-on-blue combination. Alternate within the whole range of blues, from icy pale blue to deep cobalt, and discover what makes you feel at your best. As for brown eyes, of course, brown and brown go well together as well. Remember, ladies, it's all about framing your face for maximum impact. Opt for upper pieces like blouses or dresses, and don't forget about those accessories, scarves and wraps near the facework wonders. On the other hand, if you have neutral eyes with neutral colors, like black and gray, in this case, these neutral colors can handle lots of different options. But this is what I recommend. You can combine black eyes with darker colors like navy blue, deep purple, burgundy, and dark bottle green. And for gray eyes, combine gray eyes with lighter colors like pale blue, light mauve, soft dusty pink, and light olive green. Ladies, you can also enhance your hair color with complementary shades. The secret to making your hair color pop, it's in your closet. Your hair frames your face, your eyes, your smile. So ladies, wearing colors that enhance your hair color will make your features pop, and your hair color will appear way more dimensional, vibrant, and fabulous. But when you wear a color that isn't in sync with your hair's hue, it dulls the hair's color and washes out the brightness of the skin. I will not go deep into this topic in this video, but if you are interested, you can comment and I'll definitely do it. I hope you enjoyed today's tips and outfit ideas. Your support truly means the world to me. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to keep creating more content just for you.